Hello friends, this is Bharti and you are watching Learn Maths with Bharti. Today we are going to solve some MCQs from trigonometry and today's video is going to be very interesting क्योंकि मैं आज MCQs भी सॉल्व करवाने वाली हूँ और उसके साथ साथ कॉन्सेप्ट भी क्लियर करने वाली हूँ और ये भी बताने वाली हूँ कि देर आर मल्टीपल वेज टू सॉल्व द सेम क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो प्लीज वॉच द वीडियो टिल एंड. Okay, now let's get started. Okay friends, let us read first question. Given that sin theta is equal to a by b, then tan theta is equal to, we have four options. Okay, so to solve this we have multiple number of ways. Okay, there are so many ways to solve this. I will explain you two ways. Okay, the easiest way is the first way is the easiest way. Why it is easiest? Because see, sin theta is equal to a by b, it is given. Okay, now we have to find tan theta is equal to how much. Now you know the relation tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta by cos theta, right? So in numerator sin theta we have the value of sin theta. Now we need to find out cos theta. Let us find. So how we will find cos theta? So now you need the identity. What is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta, isn't it? We can write it. So here cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so 1 minus sin theta square. Sin square theta means what? Sin theta square. It means a by b whole square. Now 1 minus a square by b square. Now take LCM, b square minus a square by b square. But it is cos square theta. Now find cos theta. Cos theta is equal to root over b square minus a square by b square. It means cos theta is equal to root over b square minus a square by root over b square. Okay, so now cos theta is equal to root over b square minus a square by root over b square means it is b. So this is value of cos theta. Now tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So what is sin theta? First we will write sin theta by cos theta. So what is sin theta? Sin theta is a by b. And what is cos theta? Root over b square minus a square by b. Okay. Now this b and b cancel. So we will get a by root over b square minus a square. So option number C is correct. Okay. Now let's solve it using second way. Okay. Now let us solve it by taking turnings. Okay. थोड़ी मोड़ ले लेके हम इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. ठीक है, देखिए कैसे. Here sin theta is equal to a by b. Okay, so we have to reach to tan theta. So there is another ways also. There we have, what is that? साइन से हम पिछली बार क्या किए थे? साइन से हम कॉस में गए थे, कॉस में गए थे. इस बार हम क्या करेंगे? देखिए रेसिप्रोकल पता है आपको. कोसेक थीटा, सी कोसेक थीटा is equal to 1 by sin theta. Okay, it means cosec theta is the reciprocal of the sin theta. So cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. It means reciprocal of sin theta. It means b by a. Okay, now we will go cosec to cot. Okay, how? What is the identity? We know that 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, so write cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. So here cosec square theta minus 1. So what is cosec theta? B by A. B by A whole square minus 1. Now B square by A square minus 1. Now take LCM, B square minus A square by A square. Okay, but this is what? This is cot square theta. Now cot theta is equal to what? Root over B square minus A square by A square. So here cot theta is equal to root over B square minus A square by here root over A square is A. So this is the value of cot theta. Now what is tan theta? Tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta. Okay, so tan theta is equal to A by root over B square minus A square. Okay, so the same thing, C option is correct. Okay, so there are so many ways to solve it. Okay, so you think of another way to solve it. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Okay friends, now let us solve second question. If sin a minus cos a is equal to 0, then the value of sin to the power of 4a plus cos to the power of 4a is, we have four options. Okay, here it is given that sin a minus cos a is equal to 0. It means we can write it as sin a is equal to cos a. Okay, now you recall the trigonometric ratio table for angles between 0 to 90. So for which angle sine and cos are equal? Okay, so for 45 degrees sine and cos are equal because sine 45 is what? 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. It means A is 45 degree. Clear? A is 45 degree and you have this relation also. We have to use both the relations. Okay, here we have to find this sine to the power 4a plus cos to the power of 4a. Okay, now I can write it as sine a to the power 4 plus I can write it as cos a to the power 4. Okay, so sine a is what? Sine a is cos a. See here. So I can write it cos a to the power of 4 plus cos a to the power of 4. Okay, it means 2 times of, okay, same thing we are adding 2 times of cos a to the power of 4. It means 2 into what is cos? What is a? 45. Cos 45 to the power 4. It means 2 into what is the value of cos 45? 1 by root 2 to the power 4. It means 2 into 1 to the power of 4 and root 2 to the power of 4. So 2 into 1 by root 2 to the power of 4 is what? Root 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 2. It means 4. So 2 2s are. It means 1 by 2. Which option is correct? Option number D is correct. Okay, one more way is there here. Directly you can put the value of A here. Directly you can put the value of A here. 45 degree and here also 45 degree. Then sin 45 to the power of 4 plus cos 45 to the power of 4. Okay, you try in this way also. You will get the same answer. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Okay friends, now let us read third question. Now we are going to solve this question. 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A is equal to 3 by 4. 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A is equal to 3 by 4. We have to find out the value of sec A. For this, we need to find out the value of A first. Then we will find sec A. So here you can see that a plus b into a minus b identity is there. So 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a is equal to 1 minus cos square a is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, now you recall the trigonometric identity. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Okay, so 1 minus cos square a can be written as sin square a is equal to 3 by 4. Now sin a will be what? Root over 3 by 4. Now sin a is equal to root 3 by root 4. It means sin a is equal to root 3, root 4 is 2. Now once recall the values, okay. Root 3 by 2 can be written as what? Sin A is equal to, in sin, okay, which angle you can take so that you can get root 3 by 2? It means sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60 what? So sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 60, okay. In left hand side sin ratio is there, so you have to write sin ratio in right hand side also. So root 3 by 2 can be written as cos 30 and sin 60, but you have to write here sin 60 because in left side sin ratio is there. Okay, so now you compare both the sides. Comparing, you will get a is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so we got a. Now sec a is equal to what? Sec 60 degree. Okay, but do you remember sec 60 degree? No, it's difficult, no? Do you remember cos 60? Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. Now sec is reciprocal of cos. So cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So sec 60 is equal to 2 by 1. Okay, it means what? 2. So option B is correct. Okay. So one more way is there. One more way means here another way, second way. Okay. Second way is what? To find out the value of a, we can use the second way. Nothing but here only. Here it is given, no? See here. 1 minus cos square a is equal to 3 by 4 is given. So you can do one thing. You transpose here 1 minus 3 by 4 without putting identity. Without using identity also you can see. You can solve here. Okay, 1 minus 3 by 4 is equal to cos square a. So you can take common here. 4 minus 3 by 4 is equal to cos square a. It means 1 by 4 is equal to cos square a. Okay, now root over 1 by 4 is equal to cos a. It means 1 by, okay, 1 root over 1 means 1, root over 4 means 2 is equal to cos a. Okay, now you can write 1 by 2 is equal to cos a. It means 1 by 2 means what? Cos, how many degree? Cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is equal to cos a. It means comparing both sides, we will get a is equal to 60 degree. So see, this way also we get a is equal to 60 only. Then we can find sec 60, which is 2. Okay. So now let's move to the next question. Okay friends, now let us read the next question. If cos 40 plus a is equal to sin 30 degree, then value of a is, okay. So here we are going to solve this question. Okay. So cos 40 plus a is equal to sin 30 degree. Okay. So इसको देखकर घबराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ठीक है. अरे ये क्या है, cos 40 plus a है, ये कैसे आएगा? ओके, how we will find it? Okay, don't worry. Okay, just focus on those things which you know. Okay, here cos 40 plus a you can't understand, then leave it. Okay, but this sin 30 is what? We all know what is sin 30, what is the value of sin 30. So put the value of that. Okay, cos 40 plus a, we don't know, leave it. Okay, now cos 30 is what? Cos 30 is equal to what? 1 by 2. Okay, now what? Now see, in left side, which ratio is there? Cos ratio. Okay, in right side 1/2. Okay, तो हम क्या करेंगे अभी? चलो 1/2 को हम क्या करते हैं, cos में चेंज कर देते हैं. ठीक है, let us convert it into cos. But how? Cos 0, cos 30, cos 45. Which one? Which value? So cos 60 degree is 1/2. Okay, so cos 40 plus A is equal to cos 60 degree. Clear? Now both sides cos ratio is there. Now you compare cos 40 plus A is equal to cos 60. It means what? 40 plus A is equal to 60. Okay. Now A is equal to 60 minus 40. So A is equal to what? 20. So which option is correct? Option D is correct. It's very simple. तो हमको करना क्या है, जो समझ में नहीं आता है उसको छोड़ो. ओके, जो समझ में आ रहा है उसका वैल्यू लिखो. ओके, विच यू डोंट नो लीव इट, एंड विच यू नो you put the values, then think in that way, then you will get a direction to think. Okay, now what is the next step? What is the next step? So think in this way and try to solve these problems. Okay, now let's move to the next question. So friends, let us read the next question. Question number 5. We are going to solve this question. Given that sin alpha is equal to 1/2, cos beta is equal to 1/2, then the value of alpha plus beta is. Okay. So sin alpha is equal to 1/2. Cos beta is also 1/2. Okay. So how it is possible? It is possible. Okay. How? See, sin alpha is equal to 1/2. So here sin alpha is equal to, we want alpha plus beta. Okay, right? So we need to find the value of alpha and value of beta, then we will add them, we will get the answer. Okay, so sin alpha is equal to 1/2. Left side sin is there, so sin 0, sin 30, think like this. Sin which value will give you 1/2? Sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1/2. So sin 30, we can write it as sin 30. So alpha is equal to, comparing both sides, alpha is equal to 30 degree. Now cos beta is equal to 1/2. Cos beta is equal to, now in left side cos ratio is there. So 1/2 can be written as cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, cos 60 degree. So cos 60 degree. Now comparing both sides, we can write beta is equal to 60 degree. Now add alpha plus beta is equal to 30 plus 60. It means 90 degree. So option D is correct. Okay. Now question number 6 for you. Okay. I want you to solve it, friends, and comment your answer in the comment section below. Okay. So friends, I hope you have understood today's topics very clearly. Still you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section below. And let me remind you, friends, I have already created some videos on introduction to trigonometry, how to remember the trigonometric ratio table, and I have explained the trigonometric identities, and I have solved some problems. Okay, so before watching this video, you should watch those videos. Okay, for that I will put the video link in the description box below. And friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like my videos, please share to your friends, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Okay, now I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.